guy George one more time back with you guys again, and this time we took a trip over here. We're actually heading to San Antonio, but so far we reached at a point where we decided we're gonna make a stop to drop off who drop off this morning. Hi Dana. Dana,
Yeah.
remove your mask. Let YouTubers see you. Let my people see you, alright? And say hi.
Hi.
Okay.
Jamaican in Houston.
Jamaican in
Wildlife.
Houston, wildlife. What you mean? Every time, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so guess what? People, she is the one that is behind all my editing and stuff like that. All my stuff that I put on YouTube, she's the one that did all the editing, right?
That's Dana.
She take care of everything. So right now we're here again with the crew, and you have Dana right there. She is actually tell the people why we're here,
You're dropping me off back to school.
right?
hmm
So what are you doing in school? What's
Studying science or biology. So when I graduate with my bachelor's, I go to medical school to be a doctor.
okay? All right. So this is our future doctor right here we're talking to. And what area is this?
San Marcos, Texas.
Okay, so this is
In
San
between
Marcos, Texas,
Austin.
between Austin and San Antonio.
Yeah.
And then from here, we're going to head on over to San Antonio where we have the river walk, we have the tower, and all those stuff. So we have over here again our friends visiting from Jamaica. And here we have,
Hi, Lasset.
all right, that's Lasset from Mayagoli.
Yeah,
All right.
only on Jamaica in Houston.
All right, bless.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So we're blessed with that, right?
No
I have you on
today.
Jamaican in
Today we're
Houston.
college.
All right, great, great, great. All right, and she was with us the last time on our last video. She was on that fishing trip with us, right?
It was great.
It was great.
Yeah.
You had fun. All right.
Fishing for the first time.
Yeah. So over here, yeah, we have some more people here, and say something.
My
You.
name is Angela Bailey Blythe.
Yes.
Yes, and I'm in.
San Mark.
I don't even know where I'm at.
Yeah.
Yes, and
San
it's nice to be
Marcos.
here.
Yes.
Yes.
San Marcos, which is a part of Texas. Yeah, we're still in Texas, right? And you enjoying your trip to Texas so far?
Yes.
Having fun?
It's very nice.
All right. And then you're anticipating the ride on the river walk, right?
Yes.
Okay, and hopefully we might end up in that tower, right?
Right.
Okay. I know we might have lunch in the tower too, right?
Oh yes.
Probably we'll go up there and have lunch. Who knows?
Yes.
All right. And over here, over here, yes, over here.
Yes. Sister Stacia.
Yes, man. Queen of the day.
Hi.
Come Stacia, say something.
around.
You're on Jamaican in Houston Wildlife Plus TV. Come, say something.
This is Stacia,
Campus,
George.
right? It's a nice place. Quite peaceful and quiet, It's suitable for the occasion, for studying and all those stuff. So you know how it is. All right, so. All right, we're going to take a break. I'll say later.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
Now, we're not going nowhere now.
Jamaica in Houston.
Wildlife
Now,
Plus, how you mean?
Yeah.
And people, all right, back to me. I am asking you, please subscribe, like, share. All right, thumbs up all the way. I'm back with you, and it's your guy George, yeah, which is Jamaican Houston Wildlife. Okay, so we're here, kind of chilling out for a little. Dana is supposed to check into her room because she's just returning to college after a break, and we're waiting for her, her to get her room so she can move her stuff over, you know. And in the meantime, we're here chilling. Yeah, we got some nice trees and like that. You know, this is what it is. Yep, and there's our stuff all packed up in the back of the truck, ready to be shipped off to her room. Right. Okay, so here we are, and over here, that's Tree's company. Tree is company. See, three troublemakers. Yeah, you see how them behave? Sit down like they can't mash hands. People like they're innocent. See they like they can't mash hands. Three troublemakers. See them there.
You're rolling with
Eh.
Yes.
So, give me one joke. Share one joke with me. What you remember? If I'm from school days or back when time they young.
Once upon a time now.
Brother, I don't see you.
No.
Yes,
You
but I
don't
can't see
You don't tell me what you want, I'll give you what
I'm
I
brother
want.
to come.
No, tell me something, man. If I have something what you remember from
Yeah,
school
yeah,
days.
yeah.
I
Nancy
heard
Joe.
no.
Yeah.
I heard that.
Wait, me take off my shoes. See.
No, me not say me heard. Me a talk it straight. Me say one time one man a grow and rape some people. So one time now, he going to one old lady house. The lady really old. The lady just have one little teeth. So the lady start beg the raper, said, do not rape me, I beg you not rape me. The man say me have to rape you tonight because of that me do. So
My career.
the lady say, alright, make a deal. Any amount of teeth me have, the man never know how much teeth me have. Any amount of teeth me have, that they owe me a stay. So the lady feel good, so she say, okay. He show up in his mouth and show him one teeth. So he say, alright, I go for 1 hour. When he go for 1 hour and he see the little old lady say, one need a little piece of teeth round it. One more of it.
Oh my God. No. Oh, no, me like that one there. That one is bad. They say the old lady say one need a little piece of teeth round there. So that means I'm more in one, don't you?
It's sweeter.
It's sweeter, so you want more.
You mind if you mouth in full of teeth?
Hey. So tell me one of you. Give me one of you, Joe.
I don't really have any jokes.
No man, talk one man.
Honestly.
You must remember something.
I don't even remember anything.
Let me give you one more.
Yeah,
She
alright.
have
Yeah,
it.
she
She
have
have
it.
it.
Eh.
So, them, last tell me about him all time days when he coming up. So, me hear say now, two boy always a thief orange, right? So, one day then thief so whole heap of orange. So then decide say them a go split the orange evenly. So then run over in our burying ground and over there count the orange. So they say one for me, one for you. And so they count the orange. One for me, one for you. One for me, one for you. So meanwhile then they count now. They can come and hear them and share the orange. So they can run over Pastor and want say, Pastor, come here, me have something to tell you. Because guess what? Satan and God up this account soul. One for me, one for you. Think a joke, Pastor say I idiot. He say, alright, if you think a joke, come.
Yeah.
So, good enough now, Pastor come out. When they come, they still there share the orange with you. One for me, one for you. One for me, one for you. And Pastor said, Jesus Christ, a true boy. So one of the time now when they finish count out all what they have, they say, and two out of gate, that's a one for me, one for you, Pastor. They got run. Because poor them, they know say two orange drop out of gate, so when they come. So them things say two of them know. So they don't know which one of them which one of them and so they run.
Oh, yeah, okay, so we can get it clear then. So,
Not kidding
two
me.
orange drop out the road, and the
Right.
both of them know say two orange drop out there.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah, but they
So,
ain't have to take up.
They never tap it come. So after they count out them the way they have and say one for me, one
Yeah.
for you. Then remember the other two and say, oh, two did out and get this. So that time Mr. Man, Mr. Pastor now and the deacon now think of them.
Yeah.
So one of them a figure and one of the Satan. So
And
they don't know who are who are figure and who are the Satan, so then take off.
What?
Oh, me get it.
Easy.
All right, sir. All right, people, I'm back after after taking a short break, and now I just want to let you know we all leaving St. Marcos, and we're heading on now to San Antonio. And just want to let you see on our exit, you know, right? So yeah.
Continue on North Guadalupe Street
So-
for 3/4 of a mile.
Okay, so if you listen, you hear this GPS in the background. So we're just navigating our way out of St. Marcos in the city, the town area. All right, so just a little taste of St. Marcos. This is what this part of the town is looking like. Catch up with you later on. All right. Next stop, San Antonio, right? Yep. Next stop, San Antonio. We're back with you, and as you can see, we are now in San Antonio, and we're downtown San Antonio, and in a few minutes we will be on the river walk, which is, you know, a tourist attraction area. So, you know, just catch a view of San Antonio, the beautiful city of San Antonio. All right, so just want to get a glimpse, you know, and then I'll be back with you later on. All right, okay peeps, as you can see, if you look straight ahead, right there, that's a tower. You know, I think there's a restaurant up there, and you can get you know, other stuff up there. So that's the tower up there, and we probably might end up there, I'm not sure.
In
Or
600 feet,
that is
turn
it.
left onto South Alamo Street.
There you go, right ahead
How
of
tall is
me.
it though?
I don't know how tall the tower is, but that is it right there, straight ahead of us. As you can see right now, that's the best view you can get from it. That's a tower in San Antonio right there.